How to fix lost phone number on your Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix lost phone number on your Imo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your application. Once you are here, click on your profile icon up there. And now click on the last option, which is help and feedback. Wait for a second. Once you are here, click on account and scroll down. You're gonna find lost phone number. Click on it. They're gonna give you some advices. You should make sure to read all these advices and follow those steps. If this is not working, click on the X icon. If it's work, click on the check icon. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.